Yo, what's going on, everybody? Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another gold market analysis. So we're just gonna do the same thing that we always do, go through gold, go through what we expected to happen, what actually happened, and what we can do going forward. So right now I'm just showing you the screenshot that I took on the 16th of January. Also, saying or looking at gold and anticipating a close above maybe the previous high could signal bullish intent. So I just wanted to start off the video by showing this screenshot and uh, also showing what the market has actually done. So yeah, let's go into the charts. So right now, looking at the price for gold or the chart for gold on the weekly time frame, we can see that we have a close above on the weekly time frame. So a close above this previous high gives us this new low, and we have an order block right here, and the market is set a new high, right? So looking at this chart right now, I can say that gold is in a, or gold has confirmed more bullish movement to come. So looking at that, if we're now expecting more bullish movement, then our bias has changed, and we're now looking for rallies and bases. So looking at this, I can clearly see from a long-term perspective, a rally, a base, and a rally. So at any time, can gold, or if gold is to reverse into this zone, this would be a good buy zone to go for longs. But however, a weekly time frame is too large. Let's scale down into a daily and see what we have and see what opportunities we have. So coming down into a daily, this is where I am focused on. I had done some analysis before. This portion of the chart is what I'm focused on. From this low, that section of price, that's what I only care about right now. Everything else that's behind here is insignificant to me, according to how I look at price. Excuse me. So what am I looking for in this zone? So in this zone, there, according to our bias, we're looking for longs. If we're looking for longs, then we're looking for rallies and bases to enter at the base. So right now I'm seeing a rally, a base, and a rally. So after that, what am I looking for? Something to come back into the base. So if price on in the coming week, if price can retrace into this zone, this is a good buy zone. To take our longs, maybe we'll aim for 1:3s or 1:5s, depending on what you want to target. So from here, we could take these longs right there, easy 1:3. Possibly, if you're willing to hold, a good 1:5 can also come through. Yeah. So right now, this is what we're going to be waiting for on the daily chart. If you look to our left here, previous structure, also broken and closed above, and then internal structure here, broken and closed above. So we're just looking at a retracement of price on the daily, and then see what we have. So most likely for this trade, we can scale into an H4, but on H4, we don't have the price, or we don't have the entry that we really want. I'll only be looking to look at the H4 chart when I'm in a trade. However, and I'll scale into a trade using the H4 chart. But if I'm looking for my entry, I like to enter from daily OBs. And then I'll look to scale in and manage my trade on H4. But before that, this is the entry I'm looking for. I'm expecting price to come into here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we can get an entry. So yeah, I just wanted to also explain a little situation that I saw on price. This zone, or this area that I've marked out, was an area, if we're to look all the way to the right here, where we expected price to sell in our last in our last trade idea, we're looking to sell gold. That's why we had this first zone here. So these are the two losses from the first two losses of the year there. First trade in there, took the entry quite early. In fact, when I just touched the zone, stop loss above the zone here. SO was hit. Next trade from the top here, take the sell there because we had broken daily structure. Uh, exactly. So I want you to look at this manipulation of price, or why we can't say a strategy or this strategy is always 100% correct. Well, according to the strategy, when we get a break of structure, we're looking to then change bias. So in here, we're looking for sells on the daily, and we're looking for H4 to break MS to signal more selling pressure. And H4 did break MS, it closed below this previous low, breaking market structure. So we did anticipate more sells in here. We did anticipate more sells in here to continue like that. Sorry. This was the trade idea, to continue like that because we had broken daily structure. But however, the market can manipulate. It broke structure to the downside and then came and broke structure to the upside. So this breaking structure here it's a reason that shows that every strategy is not exactly or this strategy is not exactly always correct, because this is a signal to me to continue selling. However, the market didn't respect its structure even though it broke below. Uh, yeah, for many reasons. For the reasons that the higher time frames are still going up. That's why we will do that. And you just have to follow the higher time frames. But for now, this is the trade idea that we're looking for. Rally-based rally on the daily chart to continue buys with gold. Uh, I don't see any reason why we can't be buying, or why our bias cannot be bullish right now. Uh, yeah, and this is me, Marcus Willpower, just documenting my journey. This is not any financial advice, or I'm not a financial advisor or an investment advisor. Please don't take this as financial advice. I'm just one trader recording his journey and recording his trades and just trying to see where things go. So don't take my advice as any financial advice or investment advice. Yeah. But anyways, that's what we're expecting on gold. Biases change. As a trader, you need to know or have systems in place that tell you when the bias has changed. If you can't determine a bias, then you're just trading randomly. So if you have a bias and you trade according to your bias all the time, I think it becomes a way more better system, just in my opinion. Uh, for now, let's see what gold is saying. Hopefully we can start getting some profitable trades as the year starts. If it continues bullish, we don't know up to where, maybe 3,000 mark. I don't know. A lot of people are just assuming 3,000 mark, but even it can get to there, it can surpass there. We don't know what the market can do. You never know what the market can do. Excuse me. You can just react to what the market is doing with your own strategy. But yeah, Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'll catch you guys sometime.